Are you ready? Let's dive deep. It's the Ocean Band! Baby shark plays the drums. Boom, boom, boom. Mama shark plays the flute. Toot, toot, toot. Daddy shark on guitar. Strum, strum, strum. Join the Ocean Band. Come, come, come. Boom, boom. Toot, toot. Strum, strum, strum. Baby shark and the Ocean Band. Let's have fun! Baby shark taps the beat, splashing up the sand. Gold shell drumsticks in his little shark hand. Mama shark swims in with her shiny blue flute, playing gentle ocean notes. Oh, she sounds so cute. Daddy shark wiggles with his coral string guitar, glowing like a rainbow as they jam beneath the stars. Sister shark twirls in with a sparkly tambourine. Jing, jing, jingle, the prettiest you've seen. Clap your fins, clap your fins. Clap, clap, clap. Swim around in a circle. Splash, splash, splash. The sea is glowing, the beat is strong. Let's all sing the ocean song. Baby shark plays the drums. Boom, boom, boom. Mama shark plays the flute. Toot, toot, toot. Daddy shark on guitar. Strum, 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 join the Ocean Band. Come, come, come. Octopus Otto with his 8-armed sax, blowing bubbly melodies, smooth and relaxed. Tina the turtle shakes a pearl shell shaker. Rattle, 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 she's a serious music maker. Crowdy the crab clicks his claws on the beat. Tick, tick, tock, little dancing feet. Jellyfish Gina lights the stage in neon glow, waving glowing tendrils, magic ocean show. Shh, the ocean is quiet. And then, boom! Baby shark hits the drum again.